All right, so I have with me Daisy Shah here in Ahmedabad, and we would like to speak to Daisy about this entire Tanushree Dutta controversy that is taking place. So, she was one of the assistants to Ganesh Acharya on the sets of On Okay Please when this entire incident took place. So, Daisy, Tanushree has said that you were nice to her and she has good memories of you. How do you look at this incident that happened 10 years back?
See, first of all, everybody needs to understand that an assistant choreographer is not a part of the main conversation that happens between the higher level people, that is producer, director, choreographer, actor. So these are the four primary pillars of that particular song. My job was to give Tanushree the steps, make her learn them, and then help her execute it. Now, what Tanushree said, that I and she had a great rapport, yes, because we rehearsed for 3-4 days before shooting for the song, and on the sets also. For the first 2 days, everything went very swiftly, and on the third day, something happened which I am not aware of. But Tanushree, being a woman, she has come out and open, and she said that this is what she's gone through. So I totally sympathize with her. But I mean, I can't say anything. I don't even know whether the producer is right or whether the director is right or whether the artist is right. But as a woman, I totally stand by Tanushree Dutta.
All right, so what is happening is basically that she went out of the industry. She's been in US for 10 years, and so obviously it's being said that maybe she's doing it for publicity. I don't think any woman or any
Nobody
person
would want to talk about all
go
these
through this
things.
hell once
I mean,
again.
it's not a good thing. Why would anybody want to talk about sexual harassment that the person's gone through, and that also after a decade? Tanushree, definitely there must be a lava inside her which is just bursted out after 10 years, and why not? I mean, that is something that she's gone through, and she should definitely speak up, because if women like her come out, there are a lot of other women who can actually get that courage from people like Tanushree.
All right, so now what is also being said that Tanushree has constantly said that her car was totally damaged.
It was,
and
yes.
and but there's a version that apparently that no todpod took place and there was no hangama that took place. So that's
Oh, there was a
something.
lot of hangama that happened in the second half of the day, on the third day of the shoot. The first half went pretty well. After the lunch, there was supposed to be a shot there, but apparently Tanushree came out, she rehearsed for the shot, and then she went and locked herself in the vanity van. Now, in midst of this, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened when she was rehearsing for that particular step. Must be something. She must have been gotten touched in a wrong way or whatever it is. So that is something. And again, me as an assistant, I was not only like there to teach the steps to Tanushree. There was a big setup. We had almost 60 to 70 dancers. So an assistant choreographer's job is also to set up the entire shot.
Right.
So in the midst of that, something might have gone wrong with her. Then she went and she locked herself in the vanity van for almost 3-4 hours. And then the media was called, and then the entire hoo-ha happened, and Tanushree had a really hard time. Not even Tanushree, everybody shooting at Filmistan had a hard time to get out of the studio in the night, because everybody's cars were blocked, and in that, yes, Tanushree's car's windshield was cracked.
Okay, now Rakhi Sawant has done a press conference yesterday, and she said that she was approached for a song, and Mr. Ganesh Acharya told her to just come immediately, and whatever clothes she is in, just come immediately. So now what she's saying is that she didn't like the song, but she did it to just save the producer and the director.
Rakhi said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because their entire money was at stake, the set was there, so she didn't like the song, but she did it just because of the producer.
Okay.
And
Now
the
see
director
again, now that is something
and the
that I
actor.
don't know about, because that is again on a higher level conversation. हमारा काम हमको बोला जाता है भाई ये हीरोइन है, ये स्टेप सिखाना है, हमारा वो काम था, and that is what I was assigned for, and I kept myself very aloof. मैं अपना काम करती थी, निकल जाती थी, मैं बाकी फसाड़ में घुसती ही नहीं थी.
Okay, now Rakhi has also said that she was locked inside the vanity van for 4 hours and she was doped out. she's alleging that that she was on drugs and she didn't come out because of she was on drugs.
I
So
never
you met her.
entered Tanusree's van, so I cannot comment on this. But one thing I'm sure is that on that day, when this entire incident took place, Tanusree's mom was with her. So no person in the right state of mind will dope with mother being around.
Okay, so but do you feel that there are two sides right now? So there is a lot of people, they are supporting her right now, be it Priyanka Chopra, Farhan Akhtar, Richa Chadda, Swara Bhaskar, Sonam has spoken about it. So do you in a way feel that it's a maybe a good step that more people, they can feel more secure, because I think anyone will think twice before.
I think speaking up is more important, and that is the reason I said that after this step what Tanushree has taken, there might be a lot of women who wants to talk about this, and this has given them courage, or I hope this has given them the courage. I can only hope for it, because if you cannot stand for yourself, nobody can stand for you.
All right. Thank you so much, Rizit, for talking.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.